In today's video, I'm going to teach you plot two datasets in one graph. By the end, you'll be able to place two related sets of numbers on a single chart, so they're easy to compare at a glance. All without rebuilding your visuals from scratch. Start by creating your initial graph from the first data set. Highlight the cells that contain your first set of X values and Y values. If your data has headers, include them, they'll help label the chart automatically. Go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type that fits your data. A line chart is great for evenly spaced categories like months or sequential steps. A scatter chart is ideal when your X values are true numbers, dates, or measurements that need to be plotted to scale. Pick the one that best represents the story your data needs to tell. You should now see a clean chart showing only the first series. With the chart in place, right-click anywhere on the chart area and select Select Data. This opens the Select Data Source window, which is where you control which series appear in the graph. In that window, click Add under the Legend Entries Series section. You are telling the chart that you want to add another series to the same set of axes, so both datasets can be viewed together without creating a new chart. Now enter the details for your second dataset. Start with a clear series name so it's easy to identify in the legend later. Then set the X values by selecting the cells that hold the X data for your second set, and set the Y values by selecting the matching Y data. Make sure the X and Y ranges are the same length and line up row by row. Mismatched ranges are a common source of odd-looking plots. If your data isn't adjacent, use the range selector in the dialog to collapse the window. Navigate your sheet and drag to highlight exactly what you need. Avoid including headers in these X and Y selections, and double-check that you are pointing to the correct worksheet if your data lives on another tab. When you are done, click OK to add the data. Your chart now displays both series together, each with its own color and a legend entry. If something looks off like points bunching together or lines not aligning, revisit. Select Data and confirm the X and Y ranges are correct and that your chosen chart type supports how your values should be plotted. Otherwise, you are all set. And you've successfully plotted two datasets in one graph. Thanks for watching.